Hey everyone, in this video we will learn how to read specific columns from a data frame in Python. So let's just start. And what I'm doing over here is I'm importing pandas, and then I'm sort of just reading a file which sits on my machine. I will leave a link to this file in the video notes so you can download this. This is part of the Titanic dataset, so I'll just leave a link to this, and also have uploaded this file to GitHub so you can download this file and do the tutorial along with me. So let's just execute this one. So to execute a certain cell in Jupyter Notebook, all you need to do is hit Shift and Enter, and the first cell will not do anything or will not have an output because what we are doing is essentially importing a library and then just reading a file. But in the next one, when we select the second one and hit Shift and Enter, it shows us the data frame and the attributes of the data frame. So it's telling us that we've got passenger ID, P class, name, gender, age, and these are the other attributes. And let's say I want to print the name attribute on the train DF or the data frame. I hit Shift and Enter. So you can see here that all I've done is the name of the data frame, a dot, and then the name of the column. So that's one. When you can see it's giving me all the names. There's some 417 records. Similarly, there's another way where all I need to do is, this is the name of the data frame. Then I've got open my square brackets, the name of the attribute, and that's it. So it will give me the same one as the previous one. And the third one is where I want to say, let's say multiple columns. So I've got, you can see here, I've got the data frame name, and then I've got two brackets, two square brackets, and then the name of the columns in single quotes. So let me hit Shift and Enter here. And you can see it's giving me name, age, and sex. So, this is one of the three ways where you can access the columns in a data frame. And then you can see what columns exist in a data frame by using the dataframe.info function. So I hope you find this video useful, and thanks for watching this video. Please do subscribe to my channel if you enjoy what I'm doing. Thank you.